like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell, and on with the video. Alright, good day. This is SHTF Garden coming at you with a seed update. Alright, so here we're going with some free seeds and cheap seeds. Talked about this the other day a little bit, briefly touched on it. I just want to go in a little bit more detail about where you might be able to find free or discounted seeds. Let's keep this short, so let's go into it. The other day I mentioned the OSU extension. That doesn't have to be OSU extension. It could be, whatever university extension is in your area. So if you have a university nearby, they will have a extension office, master gardener program, some free seed programs that you can look into. A lot of them have it. So you have this is an example. Here's another example from the University of Rhode Island. Their cooperative extension has a free seed program as well. So if you need seeds and you're worried about not being able to afford them because budgets may be tight, then this could be another resource for you. You don't want people to not be able to grow food based on unavailability, financial reasons. So here we go. This is seedlibrarian.com. It's another resource you might be able to use to get your hands on some free seeds. This map right here from seedlibrarian.com shows different seed libraries and where they are. So there's some over here, and there's a lot in the U.S. And so get on here, you can zoom in your area. Hopefully there'll be one that's close enough for you to be able to utilize to take advantage of, so that you can be able to use that resource as well if you need to get your hands on some seeds. All right, so Seed Savers Exchange. So this is a seed swap. So different gardeners around the country can offer seeds. You home grow seeds. You can give out seeds. The people that need seeds, you can receive seeds. You can trade seeds, so that people can exchange seeds, keep the germlines going. It's a good cause, but also it's another way to be able to get your hands on some seeds, or maybe even some unique varieties that you couldn't find anywhere else. So that's another resource you can use if you need to get your hands on some seeds. The Free Seed Project. So Free Seed Project is another place you might be able to find some free seeds. So don't let the cost of getting in. Gardening can be as cheap or as expensive as you make it. It's going to cost something. It's either going to cost a lot of work or it can cost a lot of money. Don't let the money stop you from being able to put some valuable food on the table this spring. We all know about the food shortages. We all know about the unavailability. So get your hands on some seeds. If you, hopefully, so you or maybe somebody knows somebody that can use these programs and can help out. All right, so here's plantswap.org. So this is a good one here because you can swap plants, donate plants, as well as so you don't have to just go for seeds. You might be able to get actually already sprouted plants, which gets you a jump on the season. And if you have extras, it might be a good way to help your neighbors out. Maybe they could use some and you can donate. All right, so aside from just getting free seeds, I'm also throwing in cheap seeds. Everybody knows Dollar Tree has seeds for $1. Other dollar stores have cheap seeds. Sometimes thrift stores will have some seeds. Here's another one I found online. So this is Dollar Seeds. I looked through the selection they have. They have about 8 pages of different seeds. So decent amount of variety you can get. I mean, you may not be able to find every single sub variety, this particular whatever you're looking for, but you can find all your major vegetables in here pretty much. And so that's something that you may be able to find. Keep in mind though, if you buy a discounted pack of seeds, you probably won't get as many seeds in that pack. So keep that in mind if it's something that you're going to want to have more than a small amount of. Of course, obviously saving your own seeds, getting seeds from, maybe you can find seeds on Craigslist or on the free section or something like that, or whatever, Facebook Marketplace. So there may be some other resources you can go to, other gardeners, neighbors, friends. I know the farmers market, you might be able to get some organic vegetables and save seeds out of those that are already ripe once the season starts, but by then that's going to be, hopefully you're going to have your seeds long before farmers market opens. Other things you can maybe do, like the feed store, sell seeds dirt cheap. This Dollar Seeds, the $1 a pack. Pick you up some seeds there if you need to.